Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to log in Dukascopy online bank. This is a Swiss bank, friends. Go to Google, search for this keyword Dukascopy bank, and then click the first result here, this one, and then go to log in. After that, you will see this page. You can log in with your device from here. Select your device. After that, you should download this app or just wait, click login, and then choose a multi-currency bank, this one, and then just wait a few moments, write your phone number here, and then write your password. After that, click continue. So friends, this is how you can do to log in. It is simple process and easy. You can also log in with your app. Just download this app on Google Play or App Store. When you download this app, you can log in with your all information here. I hope this video helpful for your friends. Don't forget give like and give share this